Coverage.
Well, a once-in-a-lifetime comet has recently been making its way through our solar system, and it just so happens to be approaching one of its closest points to Earth. I had a chance to talk with local astronomer and space enthusiast Brenda Culbertson. Take a look. We have a special guest with us here today, local astronomer and faithful viewer, Brenda Culbertson. Hello, welcome.
Hi.
Thank you so much for being here. We love having you. Awesome, awesome. Well, we put out an article about a week or two ago talking about our comet here, and viewers have lots of questions, and we were wondering if we could talk about it with you.
I would love to answer as many as I can.
All right, let's do it. Well, first things first, we have our comet in the background, ZTF. Can you talk to us about it? Why is it green? Give us the deal.
ZTF is a green comet because the green comes from molecular carbon that's being broken apart. And so the gases going up into the coma, and we'll talk about that in a minute, the coma makes it green. There's also some other gases in there that also make it green. So that's why we get the greenish color.
Okay, so viewers can know that it's not necessarily going to look like this if they want to find it outside, but still really quite the sight.
Yes, it will not look like those photos. Those were taken with robotic cameras.
Okay.
And people will not see that. Naked eye, it's barely visible at all.
Fair enough.
And with binoculars, it's still difficult. And you need to know exactly where to look to see it.
Okay.
It's not like the comet was a couple years ago.
Yes, that was a big one.
That was.
All right, we have a few seconds here. Can you talk about this diagram from NASA? What are we looking at?
Sure. A comet has different parts. The nucleus is the part that's solid.
Okay.
The comet's the gaseous envelope around the nucleus. Then most of them have two tails, the dust tail and the ion tail. The ion tail always goes away from the sun, whether it's coming or going. Okay. Sometimes there's a third tail called the anti-tail, and that one always points towards the sun.
Wow.
The dust tail kind of curves around following the orbit.
Okay, fancy stuff right there. And real quick, final graphic for us. Talk about the orbital path.
The orbital path, this comet has come in from the Oort cloud. It is attracted by sun's gravity, so it comes in, it swings around, orbits the sun, and swings back out, and you notice the tail points away from the sun, no matter if it's coming or going.
Wow, fascinating stuff. All right, we're going to transition to our next science experiment here next. All right, such a neat experiment right there. Really talk about out of this world. Anyway, be sure to catch Comet ZTF soon, because if you miss this pass, it won't be back around for another 50,000 years. And we didn't quite have time to show the science experiment on our show tonight, but here's a sneak peek at what you might be able to expect online. More information on the comet and the full experiment can be found at ksnt.com.